This Chevrolet Cruze 1.4 engine has 216,000 kilometers on it. What do bad connecting rod bearings looks like? Take a look at this. They are in terrible shape. You can see there's some deformation. The bearing has basically been smashed from the impact. This specific piston was knocking the loudest. The bearing from the other pistons also show signs of total wear, and the coating is completely worn through. These are definitely bad bearings as well. So also I have a piston from the exact same engine type, but with lower mileage, 150,000 kilometers on it. As you can see, there is still some wear, but it looks much better of this. This one 216,000 kilometers, this one 150,000 kilometers.